Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. In this video, we're going to talk about Tesla. So as you see here, Tesla in a weekly chart just broken this important trend line to the upside. So you see that there are lots of touches. And just 4 weeks ago, I believe that Tesla just broken nicely, but it didn't have a strong follow through. So this is kind of like another pivotal point that we need to get above this, coming back down, continue and resumption the rally. But Tesla so far failed this kind of like a follow through to the upside. Here is a 43 SMA, which is the cyan line. And whenever Tesla goes below this, usually it has a hard time. But whenever it's kind of like above this, Tesla goes parabolically to be upside. Right now, we are coming back to test this area. So this is the previous neckline. And I believe that 200 level, 180 to 200 level is kind of like a demand area for a weekly perspective. If you just look at the chart here, let me just zoom in here. So this is the neckline, and this neckline collide with this gap, which is 190 to 200 area. So Tesla needs to hold this area. If it goes below this 180, ideally, if it goes below 165, which is this pivotal point, Tesla can go down even sub 100 level. So that is very, very important. And this is kind of like a now or never for Tesla, because if it goes down below 165, eventually, as you see here in the chart, it can go down to 110. This is kind of like the last pivot, but ultimately it's going to go down to $65, which is the previous weekly breakout level. So Tesla is in kind of like a dangerous situation right now. It is in trouble. Market is at all-time high. Actually, it was just a couple of weeks ago, but Tesla cannot manage even go above 2023 July, which is very, very important level. However, still, this is kind of like a bearish, but still there is going to be a hope for bulls if we just get back to the upside, and we need to go above this pivotal point in a weekly basis, pull back, and then we can assume that Tesla is getting back above 300 to 350. All right, so that's kind of like the neat plan for weekly chart. But if we go to, let me just save it here. If we go to daily chart, here's another scenario. So Tesla just coming down into oversold condition, into this gap, and just below that, it's going to be 180 to 187. This is a kind of like a great area for buy. So this is kind of like a nice hidden divergence here, oversold condition in a stochastic. So we may see a bounce for Tesla, but there is a huge gap here. So look at that. This gap due to earning, this is a huge gap. And Tesla, even if it goes higher, so we're going to see if it's going to just fill the gap as a goodbye kiss and then coming back down, or it's going to just break above this, coming back, resumption, the rally. So we should just wait and we should just hope. If you're bull, these are two levels for buy. I believe that Tesla, we will have a bounce. So there, one scenario is going to be here. The second scenario, which is going to be important one, is 181 to 187. If it doesn't hold this area, as I said, in a weekly chart, Tesla can go down easily to eventually $85 to $60. But this is not going to happen this year. This is probably happening next year in 2025 if Tesla doesn't hold $160, $155 per weekly candle. All right, so that was kind of like a short and sweet video for Tesla. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.